Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how to make milk ramen. And what we need is a packet of Shin Ramen, a big glass of milk, and some pre-sliced green onions. In a packet of Shin Ramen, it has the noodle, it also has 2 packets of seasoning, which are the dried up vegetables and the seasoning powder. What we need to do first is cook our ramen. In a pot, I have boiled some water, and now we can add in our ramen, and we will let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes has passed, we will remove the water from the ramen and put the ramen aside. In an empty pot, we will add in the 1 big glass of milk. And we will turn on the heat to low. And now we could add in our 2 packets of seasonings, which consist of the powder and the dried vegetables. And we will mix it really well. And now we could add in our noodles. And once we see the milk start to boil, we let it boil for another 30 seconds or 1 minute, depending how soft you like your ramen. After 30 seconds or 1 minute, now you can turn off the heat and transfer the ramen to a bowl. And for some nice color, you could add in some green onions. Our milk ramen is done, guys. Look how creamy and delicious the soup look. This is such an easy way to dress up a ramen, especially the spicy one, so it could be more creamy and delicious. And it's also lessen the spiciness of it. And I hope you guys get to try it someday. It's such an easy way to enjoy a bowl of ramen. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.